Let's see some formatting shortcuts. Ctrl 1. Open the Format Cells dialog. Ctrl-Shift-F. Now it also invokes the Format Cells dialog, but the Format Font tab will be active. Ctrl-B. Bold font. Ctrl-I. Italic font. Ctrl-U. Underline. Ctrl-5. Strike through. Alt-H. AR. Right align cell content. Ctrl-9. Hide selected rows. Ctrl-Shift-9. Unhide selected rows. You have to select the adjacent rows before. Ctrl-0. Hide selected columns. Ctrl-Shift-0. Unhide selected columns. This one doesn't work on my keyboard, so I'm just using the context menu. Alt H O I Auto-fit column width. We invoke a menu item basically. There are also shortcuts for each important format type, but unfortunately they don't work on my non-English keyboard. So I just list them. Feel free to pause the video and give them a try on your keyboard. Let me add column headers. And I remove the formatting examples in column A. Now let's continue. Ctrl-T. Create table dialog. The active cell has to be inside your data range before you hit the shortcut. Let me set a different table style for this one. Ctrl-F3. Name Manager. Alt-Shift right arrow. Group selected rows or columns. Alt-Shift left arrow. Ungroup selected rows or columns. Ctrl-K. Insert Edit Hyperlink dialog. I have a link that I copy to the clipboard. I hit Ctrl-K. And I paste the link here. Now I can click on this link and it will open the web page. Alright, in the next lecture we are going to discover shortcut keys for selection. See you in the next video.